If you need to see unsubscribed contacts in Mailchimp, this quick guide will show you exactly where to find them in just a few clicks. Whether you want to review your audience status, check who opted out, or simply filter your contacts more effectively, this is one of the easiest ways to do it inside Mailchimp. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to Mailchimp and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the audience section. This is where all of your contacts are managed, including subscribers, non-subscribers, and unsubscribed users. Next, click on Audience. When the Audience Contacts page opens, you'll see your contact list and a set of filters near the top. This is where Mailchimp lets you narrow down exactly which contacts you want to view. Instead of scrolling through your entire list, you can use the subscription filters to quickly isolate the people you're looking for. Now find the subscription status drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down so you can see the different audience status options. Mailchimp gives you several ways to filter contacts, but in this case, we want to see people who have unsubscribed from your emails. From the list of options, tick the checkbox for email unsubscribed. This tells Mailchimp to filter the audience and show only the contacts with an unsubscribed status. Once that option is selected, the contact list will refresh automatically and you'll be able to see your unsubscribed users. This is especially useful if you're troubleshooting your email list, checking audience engagement, or reviewing who no longer wants to receive campaigns. It can also help you better understand your list health and keep your marketing data organized. If you want to go a step further, you can combine this filter with other audience settings to narrow results even more. That way, you can review specific contact segments without having to manually search one by one. It's a simple but powerful way to manage your Mailchimp audience more efficiently. And that's it. Now you know how to see unsubscribed contacts on Mailchimp. Very quick, very easy, and very useful if you manage email campaigns regularly. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Mailchimp walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.